Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to change your phone to a wireless mouse pad. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, just open the App Store for your iPhone device and go on search, type your remote mouse. Once you got the result, just install the application to your iPhone device and wait a few seconds. Once it has been installed, just open the application in your iPhone device, click on Allow, swipe to left to finish up the setups, and then click on I got it, then click on Allow. Now time to connect our iPhone device to our PC. How? You have to go open the browser of your iPhone device and type here on search remote mouse. Once you got the official website of this application, find out the Windows setup or Mac setup which PC you are using and download it. Once the setup has been downloaded, open up and install the setup to your PC. It's very simple to install the setup of this application. So once it has been, just click on finish, exit from the browser, then go click on next, next again, and finish it. So our application is ready here in our PC. Just click to open to check it. You can see it's just giving you information. The application already open just in my PC. You can check from here. So this is the QR code you can scan, or if you just have the same Wi-Fi, it will be connected directly by itself. So we're gonna pass these options. After all, you can see we got our mouse is ready here on our phone once the instruction has been finished. So let's go ahead to test it. As you can see, it's working like mouse, and this is super amazing. So this is all about how to install or change your phone to a wireless mouse pad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.